everyone, my name is Prakash and I accept for 365-day training challenge of day-by-day improvement and personality growth. Which one types of personality growth as my physically, mentally and emotionally? Because this is the dimension of the clarity of your vision or of your dream. Okay, and that's why as day 7th I improvement day by day. Make a video as something of my improvement target list. Okay, and today I discuss the Navratri. My favorite festival is Navratri, but most of the persons are not clear from which one is festival, which one is a fair, and which one are to a carnival festival. But at the time they similarly word. Why? Because there is not a properly knowledge of this festival's word. But at the time I must define this, my write a script, something I must speak in English. Okay. At the time I must speak in English. I have to make my script of 5 to 6 minutes day by day. At the time I will find out the word of the festival is which one, carnival is and a fair. That is the similarly 3 words. Okay. But the reality of the Navratri is the devotional festivals in a Ma Durga Puja, right? And your festival of your religion. But reality is very different. Why? Because at the time this Navratri is the nine night day festival. But at the time the depend of your as a girls are not be as secure. Maybe in my news, I read a news and something which one are differently, but not as secure. Why? Because that is the very unsecurity feel. But in Ma Durga are to secure and protect to each and every time. That is the devotional. That is the religion practice. And Navratri are only for 9 night day are not a play of Garba. Okay, because Garba are to play of only for happiness and depend on your logically, not a meaning. But I say this I'm highest and I'm honestly I talk for in my platform something in a YouTube and other one. This is the I proud feel I belong to Gujarat because Gujarat are to festival in this the Navratri and this Gujarat are to Vadodara, Surat, Ahmedabad and other one city is a smart city and your village, smart village are to celebrate of the Navratri festival, Ma Durga, Ma Kali and other one religion you practice in Hinduism. But that is the my perspective are little bit change. Which one point of the I am changing from this myself of to how to celebrate of Navratri. Why? Because the Navratri is only for purely devotional festivals, not in a fashion show. Okay, because at the time in your new generation or the Gen Z generation, only for focus of the festival are to only for fashion show. Okay, festival is equal to fashion show, but this is not a festival fashion show. It is the pure inner integrity of your purity in devotional life. Okay, and that is what I am a proud feel. I belong to Gujarat and as a Gujarati person, I am very strong mindset of my mom for each and every time. And little bit changes of my personality as because I am a follower of this 9 night day in my purity devotional life. It is the Navratri. I am so sorry each and every words I am to as a wrong way to education. I am not good. But it is my starting journey. Okay, day 7 I took improvement of my life. At the time I will not make out perfectly speak of the purely English, but I have to try 100%. Okay, I will make a man of practice perfection. This is maybe is a little bit strong as a sentence I have to change. Practice consistency are to very highly recommendation and will improve your opportunity growth. Okay, that's why I must change of my life. And thank you so much, dear. I improve my English personality and the English version update in my day by day life. Day 7 in 365 days to be continue upload of my video as my personal life, and you are to watch my video. This is day by day improvement. Why? Because I am the only for one person in my life decided how to change, not I am how can I am possible for this. Okay, and thank you so much. Navratri is the proud of my Gujarati festivals. Thank you so much. You are to watch, and this is my 5 to 6 minute video and the little bit change of my life. Thank you so much, dear.